Hey, what's up you ninjas? So today's tutorial is going to be about how to do the roundhouse kicks. And so we'll go ahead and learn the roundhouse kick first. So roundhouse kick, there's a lot of different variations you can use for roundhouse kick. You can either do it for offense or defense. Alright, let's go! So my feet are straight. Now, for a roundhouse kick, we have to turn. Our knee has to be bent. Now from here, point your toes, kick and bend, and drop your leg forward. One more time. Pivot my front foot, knee up, kick and bend, and drop it. So faster, it'll look like this. Alright, from the side, here, hands up, bend my knee, point my toes, kick straight, up, bring it back, and step forward. If you guys liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and our next lesson will be X kick. Alright, see you guys later. Peace out, ninjas.